Alright, another video with this knife. Did blindfolded knife sharpening with this. About 11-minute video. Took me about 8.5 minutes to do that, to actually sharpen this knife. I'm actually going to see how fast I can get this from dull to hair whittling or hair popping sharp. Got some little hairs here for the end of the video. Should be 8 minutes or less. I'm going to use 2 stones, 325 grit, 1200 grit, and probably 2 strops, 6 micron and 1 micron. I'm gonna see how fast I can go. I've never actually timed myself completely. I think I can get it done in 5 minutes, but we'll see. We'll see how this goes. We'll go from sharp to dull, dulling cup. Do that a little bit more. Alright. It's dull. Alright. Here we go. I got a timer right here. Show you. Set it right here. And I'll hit the timer when I start and when I stop. Alright. Ready? Go. Fully apex, both sides. Ooh. Switching stones. Alright, we're going to stop that. $2.46. Man, let's see if it'll whittle, or at least pop this hair. Let's see here. Woo. There it goes. Oh, just popped it. Let's do that again. Oh, it just popped it again there. So, there you go. Let's see if it'll cut this here. Yep, there you go. So, from completely dull to hair whittling in 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Not bad. Fast knife sharpening.